Food number 1, fatty cold water fish. Your brain is nearly 60% fat, and the quality of that fat determines how strong your memory really is. When the wrong fats dominate, brain signals slow down, connections weaken, recall becomes unreliable. This is when you forget why you entered a room. This is when familiar information suddenly disappears. But the real cause is structural weakness inside neurons. Brain cells are protected by delicate membranes that control signal flow. Without the right fat, those membranes weaken. Signals become distorted. Memory performance declines. This is where fatty cold water fish eggs become extraordinary. Eggs from fatty cold water fish contain highly concentrated DHA, a rare brain fat that physically strengthens neuron membranes. Stronger membranes allow faster and clearer communication between brain cells. Memory becomes sharper and more stable. Dr. Andrew Huberman at Stanford University explains that DHA from fatty cold water fish is essential for neuron structure and function. Without it, neurons lose efficiency. With it, neural communication becomes faster and more protected. Fatty cold water fish eggs deliver DHA in one of its most powerful natural forms, directly reinforcing the system your memory depends on. But protection alone is not enough, because the real secret to powerful memory is not just protecting brain cells, it is energizing them. Food number 2, lion's mane mushroom. There is one food that shocked neuroscientists more than anything else, because it does not just protect brain cells, it helps create new ones. This changes everything we thought about memory. Most people believe memory is fixed. They believe once it weakens, it can never fully recover. But this belief is now being challenged by one rare and mysterious natural substance, lion's mane mushroom. At first glance, it looks ordinary. But inside it contains powerful compounds that directly stimulate something called nerve growth factor, or NGF. NGF is the biological signal that tells your brain to grow, repair, and strengthen neurons. Without NGF, brain cells weaken and connections fade. With NGF, new neural pathways begin forming. Memory becomes faster, learning becomes easier, and recall becomes more reliable. This is not just protection. This is regeneration. Studies show lion's mane activates brain repair at the cellular level. It helps rebuild damaged neural pathways. It strengthens communication between neurons, and it enhances memory formation speed itself. Dr. Rhonda Patrick explains that compounds which stimulate nerve growth factor play a critical role in supporting brain function, adaptability, and long-term cognitive performance. This means your brain retains the ability to rebuild itself if given the right signals. And lion's mane provides one of the most powerful natural triggers ever discovered. This is why its effects feel almost mysterious. Because it targets the root of memory itself, not just the symptoms. But here is the truth most people never realize. Memory is not fixed, it is not permanently limited. It is controlled by what you feed your brain every single day. And once you understand this, food number 3, purple sweet potatoes. Most people see it, most people ignore it, and most people have no idea it holds one of the most powerful memory-enhancing compounds ever discovered. The deep purple color found in certain foods is not just visual. It is biological protection. It comes from rare compounds called anthocyanins. These compounds directly affect how fast brain cells communicate, and speed is everything when it comes to memory. Because memory is not just about storing information, it is about how fast neurons can send and receive signals. When this process slows down, recall becomes delayed, learning becomes harder, mental clarity begins to fade. But anthocyanins change this at the cellular level. They strengthen neuron communication pathways, they protect brain cells from stress damage, and they allow signals to travel faster and more efficiently. This is why purple sweet potatoes and wild blueberries are so powerful. They deliver concentrated anthocyanins directly to brain tissue. Once inside, these compounds begin stabilizing neural connections. They reduce inflammation. They protect neurons from oxidative stress, and they enhance the brain's ability to learn and retain information. According to How Not to Die by Dr. Michael Greger, anthocyanin-rich foods play a critical role in protecting brain function and improving cognitive performance. This means something as simple as a purple-colored food can directly influence how efficiently your brain operates. and people who lack these compounds often. Food number 4, medium chain fats. Your brain is always hungry, even when you are resting, even when you are sleeping. It consumes massive amounts of energy every second just to maintain memory, focus, and clarity. But here is the hidden danger most people never realize. When the brain lacks the right fuel, neurons slow down, signals weaken, recall becomes delayed. This is when thinking feels foggy. This is when focus disappears. And this is when memory begins quietly declining. But scientists discovered something extraordinary. Certain fats can fuel the brain faster than glucose itself. These are called medium-chain fats. Found in powerful natural sources like coconut compounds. Unlike other fuels, medium-chain fats are converted instantly into ketones. Ketones act as clean, rapid energy for brain cells. The moment neurons receive this fuel, their activity increases. Signal transmission becomes faster. Mental clarity improves. Recall becomes sharper. This is because energized neurons communicate more efficiently. And efficient neurons create stronger memories. Dr. Mark Hyman explains that medium-chain fats provide an efficient and immediate energy source for the brain, helping support cognitive performance and mental clarity. This means the right fuel can literally change how fast your brain operates. It can determine whether your neurons function at low power or peak performance. And most people never give their brain this advantage. But even energy. Food number 5, natto and kefir. The system depends entirely on the bacteria living inside your gut. When the wrong bacteria dominate, brain function declines. But when the right bacteria are present, something remarkable happens. Brain communication improves. Memory becomes sharper. Focus becomes stronger. This is where ancient fermented foods like natto and kefir become incredibly powerful. Natto and kefir contain living beneficial bacteria that restore and strengthen the gut-brain connection. These bacteria help your body produce memory-supporting neurotransmitters. They reduce inflammation that damages neurons, and they create an internal environment where brain cells can function more efficiently. This leads to clearer thinking, faster recall, and stronger mental performance. Dr. Dale Bredesen, author of The End of Alzheimer's, explains that improving gut health is a critical step in supporting and protecting brain function. This means natto and kefir do not just affect digestion. They directly influence how your brain performs, and people who ignore this connection often experience silent cognitive decline without knowing the cause. But the next discovery is what truly frightened neuroscientists, because scientists found a natural fuel that can Food number 6, black seed. For centuries, there was a seed so powerful that ancient civilizations treated it like a secret weapon for the mind. But modern science ignored it, until now, because researchers recently rediscovered something inside the seed that directly affects how brain cells survive and communicate. This seed is called black seed, and what makes it extraordinary is a rare compound known as thymoquinone. This compound does something most nutrients cannot do. It protects neurons from damage. And even more importantly, it strengthens how brain cells communicate with each other, because memory depends entirely on communication between neurons. The moment that communication weakens, recall begins to fail. Learning becomes slower, and mental clarity fades, but thymoquinone helps stabilize neurons. It reduces invisible inflammation that silently damages brain cells. It protects neural pathways, and it allows signals to move more efficiently through the brain. This means stronger recall, faster thinking, and greater memory stability. What makes this even more mysterious is that black seed was used for brain health long before neuroscience existed. And now modern research is confirming what ancient healers somehow understood. Dr. David Perlmutter, author of Grain Brain, explains that protecting neurons from inflammation and damage is essential for preserving memory and cognitive performance. This means compounds like thymoquinone can play a powerful role. Food number 7, pumpkin seeds. Most people never suspect that their memory problems could be caused by something as small as a mineral deficiency. But inside your brain, memory is not just chemistry, it is electricity. Every thought, every recall, every moment of clarity depends on electrical signals traveling between neurons, and these signals cannot exist without the right minerals. This is where pumpkin seeds become surprisingly powerful. Pumpkin seeds contain high levels of magnesium and zinc, two essential minerals that act like activation switches for brain communication. Magnesium stabilizes electrical activity inside neurons. Zinc helps regulate neurotransmitters that control memory and learning. Without these minerals, signals weaken, communication becomes unstable, and memory performance quietly declines. This is why many people experience brain fog, slow recall, and reduced focus without understanding the real cause, because mineral deficiencies often go unnoticed for years. And when the brain lacks these critical elements, neurons cannot fire efficiently. But when magnesium and zinc levels are restored, something remarkable happens. Neural signals become stronger, communication becomes faster, memory becomes clearer and more reliable. Dr. Mark Hyman explains that mineral deficiencies directly affect brain performance, influencing focus, clarity, and cognitive efficiency. This means something as simple as pumpkin seeds can restore the electrical balance your brain depends on. And once that balance returns, mental performance can improve faster than most people expect. Like and share